out on the water, I forget about all of the stressors of life. It's an escape from everyday life. It gives me a sense of peace that I can't find with any other activity.
I think Vancouver has amazing opportunity for everybody to enjoy the water. You can go sailing, you can go kayaking, you can rent a jet ski or even stand-up paddling. It allows everybody to enjoy it and have a good time.
Thrilling, it was like almost enlightening. My heart just raced as soon as you can just feel it pull back. Loves the adrenaline of the jet skis, and when you're going like 80 kilometers an hour, just ripping, it's just, there's no words that can describe it.
I like to give people an experience they've never had before, and I think you can get that by coming out on our boat tours.
A good reason to take our boat tour is we take you to places you can't get to on your own. We want you to experience a bunch of things that are unique that you can only experience with us.
Being able to be on these jet skis with the Vancouver Water Adventures, you can literally go anywhere you want, anywhere you want.
That's really important to us, giving people the best experience they can have out on the water in Vancouver. Sort of giving people a new view of the city and even outside the city a little bit. Just the opportunity to get on the water and see Vancouver from a different angle.